Hey, welcome back to Real Estate Essentials. My name is Melanie Ginsburg, and today I'm going to teach you how to buy a house in less than 60 seconds. Obviously, this is going to be an abridged version, just the top level things. So the first step is to get a lender. Unless you have a bunch of cash and you want to use it to buy a home, you'll probably need a bank to help you. So find a lender, shop around a little bit. They all have different offers, different rates, different incentives. That is the first step and the most important. Get pre-approved so you know what your budget is to go shopping. Step 2 is to write a list of what you want in a house. What neighborhood do you want? What about the backyard? How many bedrooms? How many bathrooms? Etc., etc. Step 3 is start shopping. Now that you have a budget and an idea of what you want, start looking. I obviously recommend using Realtor, but you can do it by yourself. But you shouldn't. Hire a realtor. Step 4 is put in an offer on the one that you like. Step 5 is get accepted, go through all of the paperwork and stuff, and then get the keys to your house and move in. For more videos about real estate investing, and how to be a realtor, subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, and share the videos with your friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.